Hi guys, today we're going to look inside this wireless portable Tyre Inflator. It can be used for motorcycle, bicycles, cars, as far as the balls. These are its specification. It has a LED light of 20 luminance, max of 130 psi. It has two 2000 mAh batteries, rechargeable. This is the unit. It can fit in your arm like a portable mini USB Type C charging port. On the top we have LED lights, hazard LED lights. So as they're calling it as a SOS. Let's power it on. As you can see, the battery level indicator, and on the top we can see the hazard light. It has three modes: static, white, red, and blinking. On the top we can see inflator port, and the battery indicator and the units PSI. And these are the buttons for to increase decrease the pressure, and on off, and for mode button. So uh, you can set the units like bars, PSI, by pressing this button. And right now it's in car mode. You can see on the top we have a car icon. If you press the mode button, it will cycle through the different modes like bicycle, motorcycle, car, and this plus or minus for to decrease increase the PS pressure, tire pressure. uh, this is the button to cycle between the units. As you can see, bars, PSI. After setting the pressure, you need to click on the power button again. It will start. This is the inside of the unit. As you can see, metal gears and the PCB and the motor, and the other two side shaft. One side we have a fan for for cooling. Other side we have a gear wheel that is connected to the tiny pump. This is the PCB, and this is the display. All the electronic components. This is the PCB. So you can see the layout of the matrix display.